how I have made 400 US dollars or 334 euros in a day in 24 hours with affiliate marketing. Now, this is just one of the systems I am promoting. I'm making thousands of dollars a day with different offers, but this is one of the new offers I'm testing out. And this is the proof to show you how it works. With only 71 clicks, you see 71 people clicked on my quiz funnel, on my affiliate link, 6 people purchased, okay, 6 actions, 6 sales, and I have made 334 euros, which is really, really great with Google pay-per-click ads. Now, I have spent only 35 euros or 40 US dollars to make $400 back. Now, how this works, let me show you here in action, okay? You can see, in this case, we have the full funnel value. For example, on ClickBank or MaxWeb, you're promoting different products without showing your face, and you're gonna see ebook for $37 and then upsell for $67, another upsell and downsell. At the end of the day, you can make even $500 per sale or more per day with affiliate marketing. Now, with Google pay-per-clicks, the beauty of this system is that people are already in the solution seeking state, meaning they're already searching in Google Search Console how to get rid of their problems and pains and problems. And you, my friend, you can offer them a really high quality affiliate solutions. You can see, for example, someone is going to type in how to get rid of my back pain, or how to get rid of my acne, or how to lose weight, and things like that, right? And we have males and we have females audiences, right? So it really depends what kind of language patterns in your ad copy you're using. So if you're a beginner, maybe you have tried different ClickBank courses and you have failed, you haven't made any money, and it's not your fault. And the reason why is because you haven't had a coach or a mentor to show you one-on-one exactly how to set up profitable affiliate campaigns. As you can see over here, right? Advantages of affiliate marketing is this. We have 6 billion people on the internet. Let me ask you, okay, what would making $100 or euros or $500 per day done for you? Okay, and ask yourself what you wouldn't have to do. Maybe you wouldn't have to wake up in the morning for your job, for your 9 to 5. Okay, you don't have to quit your 9 to 5. You can do this beside if you have at least 30 minutes per day. Okay, you can see over the Zoom call, we get it done together, one-on-one with my students. You can see over here, right? So this is how it works. You have to understand the reason we can get this kind of sales is because we do things differently in 2025 than the rest of the people online, right? You have to know there are people who are going to buy from their mobile devices only, from the phones, cell phones, and other people are going to buy from the PC or laptop computers. So you have to know who you're targeting, who is your audience, and then you will know exactly what kind of ad copy to use and targeting to use, okay? Which is really, really important if you want to get results in 2025 with affiliate marketing, right? Most of the people are making this kind of mistakes. You can see they only get curiosity clicks, meaning people are only curious to see what is on the other page. They have some weird, ugly images like this, right? But mistake is there is no buyer's intent. That's why, my friend, I can get this kind of results. My students and clients can get this kind of results that we are getting because we teach them and we build it for them the right templates, the right methods that are proven to work in 2025. Okay? Now, the thing that is working here is because it's working right now. This is for someone who actually want to make it happen in 2025. Okay, you can see over here the results we are getting with Facebook ads. 21,000 US dollars spent, 788 sales, and return on ad spend, you can see 5 times my money back, 500% profit. Okay, now this is your decision. You can keep trying alone. You can keep waiting, procrastinating, making excuses on why you cannot do it in 2025. Or you can make a decision for yourself and your family that this is going to be the best year of your life in 2025 if you have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this. Okay, so below this video is my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number, and my email. Okay, you can find me, you can connect with me one-on-one, but only if you're serious and if you want serious results in 2025 with affiliate marketing.